Racing just is started. We have Yellowstone break quickly at the start. Deceiving in the middle. Guillermo is on the outside. Nash comes next. Home Run Queen and on the outside. Lifetime in the middle portion of his Windy Wind. Then comes Zing Lorky alongside Arranque, while Rouge is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Deceiving and Guillermo are fighting out for the lead. 2 lengths watching into this Nash. 6 lengths further back in port comes Lifetime, Windy Wind, Home Run Queen, Yellowstone, Zing Lorky, Arranque, and a long way back to Rouge, who's still racing and last back to the leader. We have Guillermo now takes command down on the inside, Deceiving. Then here comes Nash moving up now on the outside. Lifetime is down in port, Home Run Queen. Then comes Windy Wind, Yellowstone, Zing Lorky, Arranque, and Rouge is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Nash by a length and a half. Guillermo in second, moving up now on the outside is Lifetime as they swing for home. We have Nash by about 2 lengths. Lifetime is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Nash. Lifetime is lifting down on the inside, but it's still Nash followed by Lifetime, and finally it's Nash, Lifetime. Third close between Guillermo, Windy Wind, Yellowstone. Then comes Zing Lorky and Home Run Queen.
Nash, 8-10.